Changes coming.
Yeah, dramatic changes. It's kind of a little bit of weather whiplash as I have been forecasting. We go hot and dry to chilly and potentially rain going into this weekend. So enjoy, at least today, the warmer than normal temperatures. We could be flirting with record-breaking heat in some spots, but at this early hour, and if you've got to be on the roads, just be extra cautious. We've got fog back in the forecast, dense fog advisory in place for coastal LA and Orange County till about early this morning. We're looking at the upper levels of the atmosphere. Big dome of high pressure. This heated air mass is bringing those descending Santa Ana winds, and it's going to push our temperatures back to a range of 10 to 20 plus degrees above normal today. It will be warm, will be hot, and yes, the dry conditions do continue. And just like that, as I mentioned, we're taking a look at our futurecast as I animate this out. Here's this area of low pressure. It's going to circulate, rotate, bring in rain chances as early as late Friday night and even into Saturday. There's a slight off chance that this energetic storm system could bring in isolated thunderstorms, but we'll look for mostly cloudy and a chance of some very light drizzle, light rain. And then another storm, you can see it impacting much of the northern half of the state in the form of snow in Sierra Nevada, rain across the Bay Area, and some of that will eventually trickle down into Southern California. Oscars could be impacted by the chance of rain, and even the Oscar parties afterwards may be a wet one. It will be a cold one. That's a system that's going to bring in a lot more colder air with it. We push into Monday. Your Monday morning commute in some spots could be slick. Tuesday, a slight chance of rain. And then another third storm comes into play. More widespread conditions. Rainfall total so far about a quarter inch to half an inch of rain. Perhaps our mountain communities could be reaching up to an inch of rain. So we'll see. Right now, we're looking at partly cloudy skies going into tomorrow after hot and dry conditions, and the rain going into the first week of March.
Of our Thursday morning forecast.
Oh, good morning, Melvin. Good morning, Jen. And yes, it's a good day to eat a strawberry. National Strawberry Day. It will be hot and dry later this afternoon. Right now, temperatures due to the offshore flow, things are already slowly starting to heat up, especially across those interior valleys. The wind advisory in effect for Ontario. Temperatures right now 70 degrees. But meanwhile, the coast keeping it cool and foggy. Dense fog advisory in place till about 9 o'clock this morning for Orange County and coastal LA County. And we're going to clear away the clouds. It'll evaporate, and we're going to bring in another, again, warm to hot, dry afternoon. 80s mostly on the way, and we'll be flirting with record-breaking heat. Wind's going to be a problem for some of our mountain communities, and we will remain dry. There are rain chances coming our way. You don't want to miss my 7-day forecast. Precipitation as early as this weekend. Now sending over to Stu with a look at traffic. Morning, Stu.